Stop.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to talk about things that I either have in my fridge that I had to drink, or things that I just bought to drink today. So, without further ado, let's go. Actually, we're going to leave that there. The first thing is this water, right?
Landscape. Charge port to the right. Portrait.
The first thing is this water right here. It is a 40 pack from Walmart. Next, we're gonna go over here to my refrigerator because I need to organize it anyways. So I may as well show you guys what I got. Don't you think? Okay, I'm taking off my slippers for a minute because otherwise it feels like I'm overextending my right foot. Okay. The first thing I have in my fridge is this body armor. The next thing in my fridge that I'm almost out of is A&W root beer. The next thing is this Shirley Temple 7-Up. And you may be thinking, why are you just taking everything out? Why aren't you putting stuff back in? Because I'm organizing it. The next thing is this Sunny D. That is going on the top shelf. And then I have my milk. That's also going on the top shelf. I have one Powerade and one Gatorade. Or no, hang on, okay. I guess I have 2 Powerades left instead of one of each left. That was my mistake. I have a box of these plus 4 more. They're the Fairlife protein drinks.
Messages. Now, Brian Adkins, I'm glad you were able to make it to the store in time, and that's sweet of you to say that you've been meaning to reach out to me, and I accept your apology.
So I have those. The 7-Up's gonna have to go on the top shelf because it just doesn't fit on the second shelf. And then I got some yogurt. And then I got some Diet Pepsi. We're actually going to put that on the bottom shelf so I can have some room to put some water in. I'm going to put a number of these pops in, so it's probably not going to be the most interesting thing to watch me do, but I will try to narrate what I'm doing. I started at the back and I worked my way forward. In each row I do. That way I know exactly how many I am putting in here. For example, right now I have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11. These two make 13. And these two make 15. And that's all I'm going to put in for right this minute. Because we put in all 12 of the ones on top of the 24 pack. So, we have 12 pops left. And the last thing I have that I have not mentioned is this cran watermelon juice. That is also going on the top shelf because it was in the door. Now I'm gonna get my water and put some water in here, and then my fridge will be fully stocked with beverages again. Yay! Exciting. Okay. We find the water and we just start grabbing 2 at a time. Actually, this one of these is gonna go up top because otherwise that one interferes with my water suction. And once I get this loaded, I will show you guys what it looks like. But I will probably put some more stuff on the second shelf once I get some water in here. I just needed to make sure I have room for the water because I wasn't gonna run out of room for water because I drink a lot of water. So I will probably do at least 3 rows of water, if not more. I already have 2. We're starting our 3rd row of water. I know this isn't the most interesting thing, most likely, to watch someone refill their fridge, but I figured I have to do it anyway, so why not make a video out of it so you know what I usually do. Okay. I think our 2 A&Ws are gonna go in the door, because that gives us more room for water. And as I said before, I drink a lot of water. So far I have 17 waters in here. This one is number 18. This one's number 19. And this one's number 20. So that is literally half of my 40 pack. And without further ado, let's show you my fridge.
App icon, button. App icon.
Okay, so right here is the cran watermelon juice. And then there's one of these right there. And then there's my yogurt, my milk, my Sunny D. More of these. Some water. This drink, 2 Powerades there. And then there's some pop there. There's the 2 A&Ws there. And that's my fridge. Oh, and I have some oranges in here. Or, like little oranges in there. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, give it a thumbs up, share, and subscribe. Thank you.
Stop, button, stop.